So, get some light here. We are scrubbing this floor down. We are using Dawn dish soap as our degreaser. Dawn is a great degreaser, by the way. It's soft on your hands, but it also works really well for getting up dirt and grime. As you can see right here, there's a lot of dirt and grime right there. You can see it changing color to that brown nastiness. So what we're doing is we're going to do this. We've already done it, twice now?
Twice in this room, once in the other room.
Yeah, twice in this room, once in the other room. And you can see we're still getting a bunch of grime come up. We got to get all of that dirt and grime off and up in order for the epoxy primer to adhere to the concrete. So we're going to do it a little differently than we did in the other half. We're going to use an epoxy primer on this floor and see if we get better results. So we're happy with the results in the other room. It's just the primer is supposed to make it work better. And since this is older concrete, we want to make sure we're going to get good adhesion. So it's finally time to etch the concrete. So, for those of you who don't know, etch creates little tiny surface divots in the concrete and allows the epoxy as well as the primer to adhere better. So we're going to etch this floor. We have our bag of concrete etch. Now, if you pay attention here, you do not want to get this in your eyes or mucous membranes because it's, well, toxic. So you're also supposed to wear work gloves. So I'm going to be back with some work gloves, some safety glasses, gallon jug here because we're going to mix it, wet the floor down, scrub, rinse. Rinsing is key, but we're finally ready to etch this floor. And once the floor completely dries after being etched, we will get the primer down and then go from there. So stay tuned.
room.